Hare Krishna. So these were the prayers, invocation prayers in the beginning of the Bhāgavatam class. And some things I can recommend here. When you chant Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya, always remember it's not Vasudevaya, it is Vasudevaya. Okay, Vasudeva is Krishna's father, but Krishna is Vasudeva. This is one thing. And Bhagavate, not Bhagavate, but Bhagavate. It is aspirated sound. So in Sanskrit, ba and bha are counted as different sounds in the alphabet. So please make sure you chant words like Bhagavan, Bhakti, Bhagavad Gita, Bhagavatam with that aspiration, that extra gush of air that comes out of your lungs. So Bhagavate Vasudevaya. So next, I'd like to point out in the verse Nashtaprayeshu Bhadreshu, the third line, Bhagavatyuttama Shloke. Often it is mispronounced as Bhagavati Uttama Shloke. So Bhagavati Uttama. If you look in the word for word, these are two separate words. The first word is Bhagavati, and the following word is Uttama. So Bhagavati Uttama. But when you chant the verse, you should not show that E there, because E becomes Y, and it is pronounced together with the next U. So Bhagavatyuttama. It's not Bhagavatiuttama. It's Bhagavatyuttama. So this is called Sandhi in Sanskrit, and you have to observe Sandhi when you chant verses. So Bhagavatyuttama Shloke Bhaktir Bhavati Naishthiki. The rest, it will be definitely beyond the scope of this video to explain the pronunciation of all the sounds, but just listen repeatedly to the demo and try to emulate the sounds that I make. Try to follow me with the short vowels and long vowels, and just by repeated hearing you will absorb the right way of chanting and pronouncing all the sounds. Hare Krishna.